welcome to Mark's Creative World and part 7 of our Molding and Casting the Struthiomimus Model Kit series. In part 7, we are going to do the foot, the foliage, and the Struthiomimus Model Kit. The two hands, not to be confused with the two cans. Give that boy a hand. So, it's going to be a lot of work. It'll probably be a little bit bigger video, but let's wrap this up, okay? Let's do this. Okay, back in the vault. Here we go. Let's see what we'll see. I got a not good feeling about this guy, but let's get these rubber bands off real quick and see how this went. Okay. All right, okay, so I got to do some tweaking down there, but the concept isn't bad. Look at that, not bad at all. Hey, I'm happy. That's nice. Well, this concludes part 7. Molding and casting the Struthiomimus Model Kit. Well, I am somewhat happy about the results of our foot. I just need to get the tubes, the air outtake tubes, a little bit more cleaner, so like my grammar, more cleaner. I'm going to have to cut a little bit off camera. I'm going to do this. I'll just tweak this a little bit. These tubes here, I just got to clear them up a little bit, make them a little bit bigger. And then everything should be okay. It was a difficult piece to mold, but I think it turned out all right. We got a good cast there. Next time, well, we didn't get to the hands and the foliage this time. I hadn't realized the work involved. But next time we'll do the foliage, and after that we'll get these hands going. Almost there, folks, with the molding and casting anyway. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it, I really do. Hit like and subscribe, and please share with your friends. God bless you. Have a good one, and until next time, enjoy.